The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. An iconic spaghetti western of the 60s, this movie stars Clint Eastwood as Blondie, Eli Wallach as Tuco, and Lee Van Cleef as Angel Eyes. The movie tells a tale of three ruffians in the search for one thing, gold. The setting takes place in the Old West during the 1850s in the midst of the Civil War. The three risk their lives as well as others in hopes of making a fortune. This film deviated from the era of the 60s and went back into a romanticized time of the Old West. The movie successfully brought entertainment and was a relief from the seriousness of the 60s. The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. A classic Eastwood Western that will go down in cinematic history.